In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-add free gifts on Shopify with Monk app. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click on that search bar, then in the drop-down that appears, select Apps. In the search field, type Monk and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open a new page in the Shopify App Store. From the search results, look for the app called Monk Free Gift BOGO Cart Upsell. Once you find it, click the Install button and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Just keep confirming until the app is fully added to your store. When the installation is done, you'll be taken into your Shopify backend again. On the left-hand panel, you'll see a section for apps, and there you should find Monk. Click on Monk, and under its options, select Manage Offers. At the top left of the Monk dashboard, you'll see a card that says App Status on Live Theme. On the bottom left of that card, click the Enable App button. This will open your theme editor in a new view. Inside the theme editor, look again at the left panel where your theme sections are listed. Find Monk in that list and make sure the app block is enabled or toggled on. Once it's enabled, click Save at the top right of the page to apply the changes to your live theme. After saving, go back to the left panel and click Manage App to return to the Monk dashboard. Now, in the Monk dashboard, look to the top right and click Create Offer. You'll see a first card for creating a custom offer from scratch, but for this setup, we'll use one of the ready-made free gift templates. Below, filter the templates by clicking on Free Gift. You'll now see several free gift options. Choose the template called Get Free Gift when cart crosses the set amount. Click it, and a pop-up will appear asking you to choose between auto add or manual select. Choose auto add so the gift is automatically added to the cart, then click. Next at the bottom right. Enter a clear offer name that you'll recognize later, then click next again. Now it's time to configure the offer rules. First, choose where the offer should appear, for example on the cart page or in the cart drawer, depending on your theme. Next, select the position of the offer banner so it displays in a spot that's easy for customers to notice but not intrusive. Then define your gift rules, such as the minimum cart value required to trigger the free gift. After that, add the gift product. When you click to add a product, a pop-up will open showing your catalog. Select the product you want to offer as a free gift and then click Add at the bottom right. Once it's added, adjust the gift quantity to control how many units the customer receives when the conditions are met. Next, review the cart refresh behaviors. Here, you can choose whether the gift should be automatically removed if the customer no longer qualifies, whether to allow the customer to opt out of the gift, and whether the cart should auto-refresh to keep everything in sync. Check or uncheck these options based on the experience you want to provide. Then, look at the free gift setup section. Decide if you want the banner to show only when the customer is eligible, or if you'd rather display it all the time as a promotional reminder. After that, set up the schedule for your offer. You can make it always on or limit it to specific dates and times, which is helpful for campaigns and seasonal promotions. Once you're happy with all these settings, go to the top near the search bar and click Save. After saving, click Next to move forward. The app will take a moment to process and load everything. When it's done, your offer is automatically activated, so it's already live on your store. If you'd like to customize the text and design, simply click Next again at the top right. Here, you can edit the offer content, choose an offer layout, and adjust the design and display to match your brand's look and feel. Tweak the colors, text, and layout until it blends nicely with your existing storefront. Then save your changes and your automatic free gift offer is ready to go.